all these eggs, flour, and oil, and powdered sugar, and some milk. So now you know that we're going to be making it. So guys, now the step 1 is eggs. So we take an egg, then we break it, and then after that we whisk it. So guys, now I'm going to whisk it. Let's get the bowl closer. Mommy. Guys, now I'm whisking it. It's very loud. Wow. Is it done yet? Magic. Who's there? Why am I sitting?
I don't understand this video.
Now it's time to add the sugar to make it sweet. Let's pour it in. Now it's time to add amazing sweet sugar. Now the sugar just drowned. And now the next part is whisking. So, guys, we actually had to add oil then vanilla essence. So, come on, add the oil. Oil. Stop. Now, add the vanilla essence. Not the whole spoon, just enough. You're doing just perfectly right. And another 2 teaspoons. Add it in. Perfect. That's how my tea's gonna be. Amazing.
2.
Now I'm whisking it. It's gonna be very yummy. All fluffy everywhere. So very loud again. Mix it everywhere. It should get all over. Guys, now we're gonna add in the mystical, magical flour dust. And after adding it, we're gonna fold it in. This vessel looks like it's filling up. So guys, you know why we divided it into 2 portions? Because we're making a zebra cake. So we have cocoa powder. We have cocoa powder and we have the vanilla batter that we made through on. We're gonna add the cocoa powder and mix it so that the chocolate part is done. Then that should be good enough for this scene. Let's add a few spoons. 1 and 2. Let's see if we need to add more by mixing it. This is going to be very yummy. Don't worry, you can do some at the end. You get to do work. Oh, why did I just go? Okay, I think we need some more cocoa powder. This. So we're making a zebra cake. Look at this amazing chocolatey flavored batter. Amazing. And now the amazing vanilla batter. Guys, you know what? This cake we're making a brown chocolate batter and a white vanilla batter. You know what this could mean? It's a zebra cake. So guys, we already greased the pan, and so now we have vanilla cake batter and chocolate cake batter. I'm gonna add the chocolate. He's gonna add the vanilla. Who's gonna go first?
The vanilla should go first.
Okay. Perfect.
Let's spread.
Spread. Okay, it's gonna be yummy. Okay, I guess it's my turn.
In the middle.
In the middle.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
It's not touching. Let it go. I need to add this.
Just put it already.
So now we're going to make the lines.
Salve!
So guys, we filled it all the way to here. And this is going to be an amazing zebra thing. First, now we gotta draw the lines. Let us draw them using a toothpick. Like this. All the way to the center. Now from the top, all the way to the center. Now from the side, all the way to the center. Now from here, all the way to the center. Now it's your turn. You do it. Amazing, amazing. The cake is amazing.
Stop shaking.
Wait, what's it?
You're distracting me.
Good. This is.
Let's take a photo.
Let us take that photo.
Stop recording me. We did it!
It's
Now guys,
amazing.
wait. Now guys, we're gonna bake it. So see you after it's baked.
In the preheated oven.
We have preheated the oven. So bye guys. We'll see you when it's baked.
And the
So guys, once it was baked, we could not resist and we ate it immediately. So here are some photos.